Voice break.
3566 Papa Alpha, Van Nuys Tower, transitions approved.
Hello guys, I am at Signature West now with Tumagiardi. So we are flying to St. Anna with the Citation 5. So join us with our flight. Come on, we do a pre-flight first. Orange Anna is in the Orange County. Is about like an hour, 45-50 minutes from Van Nuys. So we're going to fly with the Citation 5. I'll be the captain today. It's nice weather. So here we are in the hangar, and then this is a 560 Papa Alpha, and we get to pre-flight this airplane. So this is the cabin in the cockpit of the Citation 5. Very nice airplane, 45,000 feet ceiling for cruising. Can load about 11 passengers total. That is 24 volts minimum. Let's check the lights. Lights on, lights on. Guys, now I'm in the cockpit. So this is my flight plan by flightplan.com. You're flying to St. Anna, and that will take like 40 minutes, 9,000 feet. The St. Anna plan is we're using the New Hall 9 departure, and this is our route. From Van Nuys departure, we go New Hall. It's heading 163 airborne until DME 2.2 Van Nuys, and then we are heading 113. Expect weather factor. We join to Ipiho, Twine, Lange, and then we continue as per this flight plan. Twine, and then Lange, Chemo, and then after Chemo we get weather factor for Seal Beach. This is what we expect. ILS to 0 at St. Anna. Our initial approach fix will be Sager, but we're coming from Seal Beach, so we expect weather factor from here and coming to join the final approach course 196, and then initial final approach fix is Lemon intersection, DME 7.8, and we descend, follow the glide slope until 255, then we land. So that's the plan today. ILS St. Anna, we already set the flight plan filed, and the chart is here, so we're ready to fly. Enjoy.
Citation November 560 Papa Alpha, like an IFR to Sierra November Alpha.
Citation 560 Papa Alpha, Van Nuys clearance cleared to John Wayne Airport via the New Hall 9er departure, Twine. Victor 518, Chemo, Victor 459er, Seal Beach, direct, climb B the SID, except maintain 4,000, expect 9,000, 10 minutes after departure, SoCal departure frequency 134.2, squawk 4727.
560 Papa Alpha, clear to Santa Ana by the New Hall 9 departure, Twine, Victor 518, Chemo, Victor 459, Seal Beach, direct, climb by the seat, except maintain 4,000, 9,010, 134.2, 4727.
Citation 0 Papa Alpha, verify SoCal departure frequency 134.2, squawk 4727.
134.2, 4727, ready.
Citation 0 Papa Alpha, read back correct, contact ground point 7.
Thank you.
Battery on. Left, sorry.
Good morning, ground citation 560 Papa Alpha, signature west with Kilo, got the clearance.
Citation 560 Papa Alpha, Van Nuys ground, runway 34 left, taxi via Alpha Romeo.
34 left via Alpha Romeo. Thank you, sir. Papa Alpha.
127 Mike Charlie at Castle Cook, taxi.
Clear right, clear right, clear left.
127 Mike Charlie, Van Nuys ground, runway 34 left, taxi via Alpha Romeo. Follow citation, join an Alpha just off your right.
Alpha Romeo 34 left behind the citation, 7 Mike Charlie.
Steve 11 clear line, taxiway Bravo, Bravo 1, wind 340 at 13.
That's ground Gulfstream 284 Charlie, Charlie with Kilo signature east for taxi.
Gulfstream 284 Charlie, Charlie, Van Nuys ground, wind 340 at 12 altimeter 3001, safe position.
01 signature east, we have Kilo Charlie, Charlie.
Gulfstream 4 Charlie, Charlie, wind 34 left, taxi via Bravo Romeo.
Bravo Romeo 34 left, Charlie, Charlie. Ground Gulfstream 27.
Contact tower 119.3 and they'll have some further instructions for you. We'll see you.
Okay, well, Alpha, access to Mike, and we'll hold for sure, Charlie.
This is 108 B2, 100 Q1 decisions. We're all set up.
Gamma Jet 715, Van Nuys Tower, runway 34 left, clear to land. Traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles, helicopter southbound at 1,600. For that 3 full, Gamma Jet 715.
Keep on, all the way down.
Gamma Jet 715, traffic no fact. Station 560 Papa Alpha, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff. Wind 010 at 10.
01010, clear for takeoff, 34 left Papa Alpha. Thank you.
Okay, so final checklist.
Final checklist.
Okay. What's back to you? Check flaps 15, check 3. Final checklist.
Check 5 at Go Foxtrot. Start turn left base, runway 34 left now. Thank you for the help. Traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles north now, helicopter 1,700 indicated.
Yeah. Let's go.
Setting across.
Good. Power set. Airspeed live. 80 knots. V1. Rotate. Voice brake.
Good up.
2566 Papa Alpha, Van Nuys Tower, transitions approved, Van Nuys altimeter 3000. Thank you. Station 0 Papa Alpha, contact SoCal departure.
Thanks, sir. Citation Papa Alpha out of a nice climb into 4.
560 Papa Alpha, SoCal departure, radar contact, time maintain 5,000.
5,000 Papa Alpha.
Ocean 00 Charlie, climbing, question turn right, heading 010.
010 heading 00 shot.
270, it's good. Good job,
00 Charlie, contact SoCal 124.6 and proceed direct flat, resume navigation.
24-6 direct flap, 00 Charlie.
0 Papa Alpha, turn left, heading 090.
090 Papa Alpha.
25-8 for 0 Charlie.
00 Charlie, 24.6, sorry about that, 24.6.
24-6.
Maintain 5,000, well done, 5,000. Cruise checklist completed, Captain.
0 Papa Alpha, climb maintain 9,000.
9,000 Papa Alpha.
So 9,000. Set me up, 9,000. Set me up, I'll deselect, ready. Go up, 100.
0 Papa Alpha, contact SoCal approach 124.6.
246, thank you, Papa Alpha.
0 Papa Alpha approach.
Yes, sir, 9,000 Papa Alpha.
0 Papa Alpha, once again, altimeter 29er, fly heading up 160, vector for final, and set to maintain 8,000.
160, 8,000 Papa Alpha.
Captain 480, clear direct TV waypoint. Direct TV for Champlain 48. I'd like to get flight following, SR 22 Central at 5,500, Montgomery.
Here's also resume navigation.
And approaching King Air 950, Mike Bravo, checking in, 8,500, descending like in ILS practice, to 30 Long Beach into Quebec.
0950 Mike Bravo, so covered, one default for 29er.
0 Mike Bravo.
You're right, absolutely right. Like the 31 and 60, 196, 1175. You're looking good, 5 minutes to go.
560 Papa Alpha, 5,000, airport inside Lima.
0 Papa Alpha, SoCal approach, reduce speed to 170, it would be just a minute, I'll expect it to 12 miles final due to a medical emergency inbound.
Roger, copy that, 170, Papa Alpha.
5,000 maintain.
Solid 6521, out of turn, John Wayne will be at 3 o'clock and 10 miles. Airport's inside, Southwest 6521. 6521, clear visual approach, runway 20 right. Clear visual 20 right, Southwest 6521. Number 0 Delta Kilo, descend IFR to 4,000. This is vectors for the straight in, turn left, heading 070. Down to 4,000, and one more time on that thing for 0 Delta Kilo. 0 Delta Kilo, left turn, heading 070.
Yep.
Left 070, 0 Delta Kilo. Yes, sir, this is vector sequencing for the straight in.
Checklist completed.
Here, Delta Kilo, runway 20 right, clear to land, caution with German Embraer departure. 20 right, clear for takeoff, 0 Delta Kilo.
Good, right about there.
Here, Delta Kilo, runway 20 right, clear to land. Sorry about that. Say clear to land, 0 Delta Kilo.
All the gliding still up, CC capture.
Yes.
Stay there. Match it. That's it, right there. You got it, beautiful. Good glide slope, good localizer.
Citation 0 Papa Alpha, disregard the speed restriction. Your number 2 following Piper on a 1.5 mile final, runway 20 right, clear to land, station fine.
Roger, behind the Piper, clear to land, Papa Alpha, thanks. 20 right.
Central aircraft ground information, Mike's current, wind 2306, altimeter 29er, Mike.
999 set, you're good. glide slope on the localizer. Speed looks good on the glide slope on the localizer, 1,000 to touchdown.
Clear, Jared, Delta Kilo, waiting for ACI, we'll jump off here at hotel, if that's what you like.
Any jet you fly in.
John Wayne Tower, good morning, Citation 53, Charlie Fox,
That's perfect, right there. Right on the glide slope, right on the localizer. See, it comes in itself now. Look outside.
Look outside.
Perfect. That's the way I want. You still IFR though. You still IFR.
500.
500, that's the touchdown. 200 to minimums, Captain.
Check.
IFR, you still IFR. On the glide slope, on the localizer. On the glide slope, on the localizer. 100 to minimums, continue approach. Still IFR, don't look out. 50 feet to go, still IFR. 250. Okay, right about here. Clear of the clouds. You see that way?
Look outside. Continue.
Continue. Clear the line. Lower the nose. You can do anything you want right now. It's yours.
Friendship by 268, John Tower at Lima, cross line 20 left, hold short, runway 2 right. Citation 0, Papa Alpha, turn left to Echo and catch ground.
Right there, Fox.
16 on fast.
John Wayne Tower, Flexjet 572 is outside lemon for the visual 20 right. Flexjet 572, John Wayne Tower, runway 20 right, continue traffic will be home position. 20 right, continue, Flexjet 572. Frontier Flight 268.
Ground citation, Papa Alpha, taxi to leading edge.
Calling ground 132.25 again.
560 Papa Alpha, off at Fox, taxi to leading edge of Phoenix.
560 Papa Alpha, John, we got taxi, Bravo to parking.
Bravo to parking, thank you.